welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is my second video of today and I'm here with again a very new set of sarees. I think first time ever. These are pure Katan silk sarees in antique zari. Very beautiful. One day prior I showed you sarees in tussars with narrow borders and brocade blouses. Now today I'm showing you narrow bordered pure Katan silk sarees. The price of these sarees is 12,000. 12, 12,000. All these sarees are priced at 12,000. Very beautiful colors, combinations, beautiful sarees. As you can see, most of the sarees that we have here at Pratha have the silk mark by government. So yes, this is the first one, a beautiful peacock color with a nice narrow magenta border, and this is the stunning pallu in antique zari. Okay, and it comes with a beautiful brocade blouse. Okay, so the richness of these sarees is in the blouse piece, so please make sure you stitch the same blouse piece and don't use a different blouse on these sarees, because like I said, the beauty lies in the pallu and the brocade blouse. So this is the first one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful sea green color, very pretty one, and this is green and green combination, a very pretty combination. I'll just come close and show you the antique zari butta along the sari, the small border. Now this is sea green with dark emerald green kind of a color at its pallu. So yes, this is the lovely sari. This is the pallu. Okay, and just look at this beauty. And this is the beautiful blouse. Just look at the design on the blouse. It's very pretty. Okay, a beautiful brocade blouse on this saree. This is how it will look. Again, the price of all these sarees is 12,000. A very beautiful range of sarees. So yes, this is it. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. I have taken a lot of efforts in the selection process, so you will like each and every saree to a certain extent. I'm very sure about it. Now this is a nice peach pink color, a very pretty peach pink, carrot pink kind of a color. Beautiful saree. Now this one does not have antique zari. This has the regular Banarasi zari on it. As you see, the border is regular Banarasi zari. Very fresh, very nice, very vibrant. I'm just going to come close and show you the detailing, how the borders will look together. Okay, so this is it. It has this beautiful traditional Banarasi pallu. Okay, and this is this beautiful blouse. This is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is again in antique zari. Now this is pure Katan silk in beautiful olive green color. Olive green is the correct description of this saree. It's exactly like green olives. A very beautiful shade. Yeah, a very beautiful one. Now I'm just coming close so that you all can see the butta in antique zari on this saree. Okay, and this is how it looks. This is the beautiful pallu. Pallu has meenakari on it. It looks very elegant. And this is the gorgeous brocade blouse. Yeah. So yes, this is the next one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next is a very pretty Rama color. Rama green blue dhoop color. I'm just going to come close and show you. This one also has antique zari and antique zari mainly, but it has antique zari and silver zari butta alternating. This is the gorgeous color. It is a green blue dhoop. I will definitely call this a Rama color, Rama green. Okay, and this is the lovely pallu, a very rich pallu, and this is the blouse. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is again a very beautiful color. It's a light violetish blue color. Very pretty. More than violet, it's actually a blue. It's a dhoop actually, light blue and royal blue dhoop, a very pretty color, and it has a royal blue border and pallu. So it's a very very beautiful combination, very interesting. This is the lovely pallu, beautiful sari, and this is the blouse. If you like this, please take a screenshot, send it to us on WhatsApp. We'll help you with how to place your orders, how to make payment. We'll give you all the details. We'll help you and make your buying process smooth. So yes, this is the next one, a very very beautiful beige. Tussar color pan म्हणतात ह्याला. A lot of weavers call this tussar color because this is classic tussar silk color. This beige, the shade of beige is a classic tussar silk color. Again, this is in antique zari. Okay, this is the beautiful pallu. Pallu this one. Okay, it has this pink meenakari on it, and this is the grand blouse. The blouse is beautiful. The brocade design on the blouse is very very beautiful. This is the lovely sari. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, these were our 2 videos today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this collection. We'll come up with newer and more beautiful varieties of saris, bringing you Kanjivarams, raw silks, Banarasis, Gadwals, and many new designs. So stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.